Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba ukuthi uyaphila. Mina ngizocela kuwe laphana-ke ukuthi-ke uma ngabe usamusha kuleli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile-ke laphana-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini usubscribe nje akubiza imali kumahhala nje wakhipha nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi ukuthi-ke uthole zonke-ke iy'ndaba esikulethela zona-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke udaba kulethele lona namhlanje sekuvele ku-MK-ke laphana-ke etshela abantu ukuthi i-MK-ke i-address abantu ukuthi i-MK-ke isimsusile uKhumalo-ke waveza okuningi nokungaziwa-ke laphana-ke wafaka ne-ANC ukuthi-ke bethunyelwe i-ANC kanjani kanjani. Kodwa-ke angifuni-ke mina uthezwa ngami kuphela, into engizoyenza nje ngidlalela-ke ividiyo yakhe-ke lo Mlisa uzuzwele wena-ke ngawakho amandla ngisicela laphana ukuthi masuzwile ungene ema-comment section futhi ushiye umbono wakho laphana-ke bazocinza nebhathini nje usubscribe akubiza imali kumahhala nje akusho nesenti nje elimnyama-ke leli-ke nawo-ke le video-ke awuyithokozele.
Now I want to share something with you. We have removed some people in leadership from Umkhonto weSizwe. One of them is Jabulani Khumalo. He says he was the founder of MK, and along with a few others in MK. I want you to know that MK is killing itself. This party was only formed or became alive on the 16th of December, about 4 months ago. And some agents have crept into MK. These agents have been sent by the ANC to destabilize us, because they know that it's only MK that is the biggest threat to the ANC in this country. So they've sent people like Jabulani Khumalo, and we have found them out. We have now removed them because we don't want a captured MK like the ANC is captured today. Big white business controls the ANC, but not MK. So the ANC will not capture MK. And I give you a message today, loud and clear as night follows day. MK will not form any alliance with the ANC. Now I want to share something